Hello, good morning all. Today in this video we are going to discuss regarding how to show a confirmation message on clicking a button in Odoo. So currently in the screen you are seeing Odoo version 14 community edition where we are continuing our Odoo 14 development tutorials. So if I go to the hospital menu and if I open any of the patients, here you can see we have added different buttons and added the workflow. So this has been illustrated in the previous video about how to add buttons and status bar. So what happens if I click on confirm? So right now you can see the current state of the record is draft, and if I click on confirm, it will be moving into confirmed without asking for a confirmation. So let's see how we can add a confirmation before performing the operation. Like we need, suppose if I need to click on mark as done, system should ask for confirmation whether you have to mark it as done or not. So let's see how we can ask for a confirmation before performing the operation. So if I go to the PyCharm, here you can see this is the corresponding form view. So if you don't know how to take the corresponding form view, you can simply go to the settings and activate the developer mode. So once the debug mode is activated, and if you come back to the corresponding form view and you can click on the debugger button, from here edit view form. So here you can see the external ID of the record is view patient form. So this is view patient form view record, and here you can see these are the buttons that we have added. So let's see how we can ask for confirmation on clicking these buttons. So right now you can see we have a button for confirming. So on clicking this button, it will call this action defined inside this model. So if I close this file and if you go to the patient.py file, here you can see this action will be getting called on clicking this button. So if I go to the UI and if I set to draft, right now on clicking the confirm, without any confirmation, it will be going into confirmed. You can see confirm, it has been moved to confirm. So let's see how we can add or ask for a confirmation message before doing it. It's simple. What you have to do is that simply you have to add along with the button definition. So this is the button code. So along with this button, you have to add one more attribute, confirm equal to, and you can enter a string which will be shown in the UI. So I'll be adding like, are you sure that you need to confirm? So simply I have added a confirm attribute and given a string, that is, are you sure that you need to confirm this record, or you can give anything accordingly. So simply I'll be adding like this, are you sure that you need to confirm? So let's see what happens if I upgrade the module right now. So I'll be going into the UI and apps menu, and from the apps menu I'll be upgrading the Odoo 14 development tutorials. So you can see the module has been upgraded. And now if I come to the hospital and if I open Jennifer, here you can see you have the confirm button. So earlier when we have clicked on confirm, it directly moves to the confirm state. So right now if you click on confirm, you can see the pop-up is coming, whether you can click on OK or cancel. So if I click on cancel, it will not move to next state. Confirm, are you sure that you need to confirm? So this is coming from the confirm attribute that we have added along with the button. So it will ask for confirmation before performing the operation. So if I click on OK, this state will get moved to confirm, and if you click on cancel, it will do nothing. So let's click on OK and see what happens. So if I click on OK, you can see it has been changed to confirm. Cancel, set to draft. If I again click on confirm, you can see the pop-up will be coming. Click on OK, it will be moving to confirmed state. Similarly, if you need to add it for all the menus, or I'll be showing to add one more menu for cancel button. For cancel button, I'll add the confirm. Are you sure that you need to cancel? Are you sure? So along with the last button, that is along with the cancel button, I have added the confirm attribute. Are you sure that you need to cancel? And to get the change in the database, you have to upgrade the module. So I'll be upgrading the module. So if you haven't got this module, just go to the Odoo App Store and you can download the Odoo development tutorials code from Odoo Mates, and it can be downloaded by freely, or as well as you can get it from our GitHub repository. So the module has been upgraded successfully. And if I go to hospital and if I open Jennifer, here you can see you have the cancel button. So we have added the confirmation message for the cancel button also. And if you click on cancel, you can see, are you sure that you need to cancel? Confirmation. If I click on cancel, nothing will happens. And if you click on cancel and if you click on OK, this will be moved to cancel state, set to draft, confirm. It will ask for the confirmation. So this is how simple you can ask for a confirmation on clicking a button. Simply, along with the button definition, add confirm equal to give your string as per your need. So that's all about this video. If you have any feedback, suggestions or comments, please feel free to comment it out. Or if you have any suggestions and if you need any help, don't hesitate to reach us over the email, that is odoomates@gmail.com, and feel free to connect us over the social medias like LinkedIn, Facebook and Twitter. So that's it for this video. Have a nice day. Thank you.